See Philip cleaning there in the peg pen. I did not feed that chicken yet. You did a good job. Okay, people. Hey.
I should have taken a video of me cleaning the pictures.
So this one will be next week, Daily.
What?
This one will be next week. The bell is so low now. Philip cleaning the pig pen. The room here. Thank you, Daily, for cleaning the room. Hi, little one.
Oh, sure. Well, I gotta get the other side.
Yeah, Philip cleaning the room. I'll just stand up here. Wait, Mama. Yeah, that's the job of Coryadoro before. Once a week. Now I need to feed the pigs. Hungry now, buddies? Okay. Philip spreading the pig down on top of the a pile here.
Should be taking a video with mine too.
Feeding time! Eat, 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 eat! You eat, 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 eat! He ate fast now. They learn now how to eat the piglet.
Well, number 3 days, they're going to be a month.
Yeah, 3 days, guys. They will be winning. Okay. Now we finish. Philip finished cleaning the room here, the 2 room. And I finished to feeding the pig.
Hello.
Now is Philip after he's cleaning the room,
Yeah,
collecting the...
slave in here. She's cracking the whip today.
Yeah,
I
right.
guess it's time for the old man to work.
You always work every day. So our piglet here, they're doing good. Hoy, lata na kung sa kadiha. So they're not ready yet to remove the balls. This one is not pregnant yet. She don't like to be jumped. Then I just let the male out. So might be he wants to rest. And this is our job every day here, guys. Today I starting make a hole here. I bet I will be the one to build the room here. That's so easy, like that. So all I need is nail and bamboo post. Then Philip will be the one to make a door. So challenge. I want to work to lose my weight. See my. Uy, hala.
This is what you should use for the corners.
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I got 2 long ones up there. I'll come down here and help. I gotta take a break on it.
You take a break. I will prepare making hole here, digging. I need to make 2 holes there in the middle, then 1 hole here in between for the door. Yeah. So this is our job for today. Me and Philip building the making the room for the piglet. because soon there will be there are so many here. Imagine there are 12. So pigs are full now. Then the dogs are full too. I already fed them. Oh, I forgot the chicken. Later the chicken. They can wait. Some of the dogs are here. It's so quiet here. So peaceful. A nice breeze. And a lot of shade here too. That's what the pig house is all about here. A lot of shade under the big trees. This is this kind of tree, guys. This is mahogany tree. That is mahogany tree, old tree probably. As you can see, the roots are so big. That's the roots. It's like stem. And next here is, I think that tree is dead. That's Dohat tree. Yeah, the one that a lot of branches. This is Dohat tree, and then oh, I'm surprised. It's a big tree. Then now the leaves dead. So he's dead. Oh, even the big tree will dead too. So we have all kinds of big trees here under the here next to the pig pen. So many trees, and that's all mahoganies. Oh, and this one is dead too. See the leaves brown. It's dead. So even the big tree dead. How much more the small one? I'll be back later, guys. We always busy in our farm every day, but we're happy doing it because we are both farmer. See, we're happy what we're doing. We're gonna get inside to the house.